I genuinely have very few words. Shut up, dude. Shut the F up. Apparently this is a cardinal sin. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I don't even know where to start. I know. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm skilled enough to hold this. Did it for a little bit. I'm gonna put the salt right on the yolk. Okay. Goodbye. This cup is really cute. Even though I've like wanted to be an adult my whole life, I'm like, wow, that's hot. Oh, I almost hit my hand on the fan. I need to edit my video that I wanted to go up this weekend, but I literally was working all weekend. I need to get a couple things to eat. And I also need to renew my rental / get a new one. And I want to show you guys the stuff that I got prescribed for my skin. For whatever reason, it is creating an ongoing festering pimple on my chin. It also might be because I keep touching my chin. I don't know why I keep doing that. Yo, the camera was already turned around. I never thought about filming like this. I'm getting ready. Well, I'm pretty much ready. I just want to show you guys my skincare. My hair is wet. I have a hair mask in, and I don't know what's going on. Right there. I'm going to fix my hair really fast. I have a vision for this outfit. And part of it is that, like, I picked out an outfit and I was like, okay, this is good. I'll put this on when I'm out of the shower, do my skincare stuff. Problem is, I've worn that outfit 72 gajillion times. So I was like, I don't feel like doing that. So I'm just gonna not do that. We'll see how I end up liking this. I think I'm gonna like it. I love that this is, hold on, how do you, yay! Shorts, period. Okay. Hold. Okay, my hair is fixed for the time being. I was going to put in the gold clip, but it really gives me a headache. So I'm not gonna do that. Also, I like shaved my face the other day because it's good for like exfoliation, skincare absorption, all that stuff. And I was not really, this happens like every 3 times that I shave my face that I'm kind of just like, and then I butch one of my eyebrows, the eyebrow in question. It actually doesn't look that bad, but it's not good either. So I don't know when I'm gonna stop doing that. Like I don't understand. Now that my hair is out of my face, it looks way worse. Like, oh, I don't want to get close to the camera. Okay, that's not why I'm here. I'm here because I did an online pharmacy thing for my skin because I was sick of it just like not finally getting completely clear and having nothing but my little freckles that I discovered in my 20s. Anyways, I ended up getting a black doctor, which I was so happy about. I didn't know until later because it was online, and she prescribed me, I have trouble saying this, clindamycin. Apparently I don't. Okay. Clindamycin phosphate, and I'm supposed to put this on in the morning, all affected areas, and then tretinoin cream. I used this when I was 14 and I had my first major acne breakout. I'm washing my hands. But it was really just on my forehead, and I honestly believe it was because I was buying all of this Dollar Tree makeup and foundation, and I literally would come home and put it on and put on so much of it every single day. And to this day, I put makeup on my forehead now, but it probably was like 2 years ago that I started putting makeup on my forehead. Traumatized myself, but what I've been doing around it, because she recommended that for the tretinoin I do it every other night, and the clindamycin I could just start doing every single day, but I knew my skin well enough, so I've been alternating like clindamycin one day, tretinoin the other day, in the morning and night respectively. And now today, for the first time, I'm going to try to do both. Since the first 2 days that I had the medicine, because I started doing it and my skin was like I could tell immediately it was about to have a, I don't know, it gives contact dermatitis because I'm touching it too much, and then the products are a lot. So I have been using these. Like, I do this before I take a shower. I try to wipe off my face with this before I take a shower. If not, I do it after. It's really not that big of a deal. But my mom found these, and I am worried because these are, what did she say, like 100 or like a 90 something on the Yuka app. And she found these at the Dollar Tree. And the problem with the Dollar Tree is that they get stuff and then it never appears again. But these have actually helped my skin barrier because that's what the focus is on. So I'm going to have to do some research to try to find these because I really like them. Like, usually rubbing my skin this much with this pad and the madecassoside blemish pad would piss my face off so bad, but it's not. And I'm like, how? Literally, how? My only complaint is that these are like literally cotton pads. So sometimes, did you see that? It rolls even if I have pressure applied, so that's annoying. But literally, who cares? Okay, so I'll do one of those, and then I do this in the morning, even though it's definitely afternoon tea right now. But it's just after I shower. I do that, and then I think the big trick for medicated skincare for my skin type is doing my full routine, putting on moisturizer, letting it sit in, and then putting the medicine on top, and then applying sunscreen, because applying it to my unmoisturized skin leads to further irritation for whatever reason. So that is what really helped me, and why I also stopped and reevaluated after 2 days of just trying to go straight into the product. That's where we are. The baddest. I'm actually gonna apply this and my LRP dupe, which is basically the same thing except in my brain, because it's warm today and I just love knowing that I'm moisturized. It's great. For my body recently, I've been applying oil during the day when I'm lotioning, like just oil, maybe a little lotion. And then if I do lotion at night, I'll do lotion at night, maybe with a little oil. And I love it, one, because it's faster, and then two, I just think oil sits better during the day. You feel me? You would think it would be slimy, or at least I would think it would be slimy, but it's not. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. I'm gonna go put on my jewelry, and then we're gonna apply my prescribed medicine. And, oh, my eyebrow. And we're gonna go, because I think it's late. It's not that late, but still. Also, I'm having like contact dermatitis. Look at that. That's what my aunt said it was, and she's like basically a doctor. On my wrist and then a little bit on my hand. This one is going away, but this one is not fading as well as I would like. So, okay, we're back. This one is so interesting to me. I don't know. I just didn't expect it to be clear. Hello? Anyways, I've been wanting to give this update ever since I got the medicine, because even doing one a day, and it was every other day, the way that my skin has just, I feel like, relaxed and stopped breaking out so often, especially because I got my period, and it was the week before my period when I first got this stuff. It makes me so happy. And even here, this isn't great lighting, but it's attacking the acne, but also helping with the dark spots, which is great. I don't know why this is trying to be a dark spot. Literally bite me. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. I just sunscreen it up. Sometimes I apply hypochlorous acid spray, which I might do a little before I go, just because I like the mist on my face, if I'm being frank. It's giving like I need to wear a new sunglass. And in this case, new just means the ones I haven't been wearing every day for the last month. Okay? It's been like 4 months. What am I saying? I don't have correct concept of time right now. My recall is OOTD. Skirt is thrifted, but I think it's Anthropology. These shoes are from Marshalls. My shirt is obviously from the Gap. Holds one. What else? Bag is Coach. This is one of the best purchases I've ever made. I really love this bag. It's also like the perfect size. These are Nordstrom Rack, Ben's Commuto. I think like a Steve Madden little pack. These earrings they are kind of wacky, but it's okay. Only wacky because they don't stay on, and I don't know why, because they're cute. And then this was a gift. I have no idea where my aunt got this from, but we all have one alike. My mom, Anna J, my aunt and I. And then this is a thrifted bracelet, my watch, period. Okay, let's go take care of my business. You know, we are so back in summertime when 8 p.m. outside, but I'm trying not to be seen right now, unfortunately. It's shower time. I wanted to show you guys my cleanser. I low-key feel like this is the American version, which is upsetting because I wanted the Korean version. Yeah, this is definitely the American version. But there's another one that has more actives in it. That's what I was trying to get. But I'm actually kind of glad I got this one because the timing with the medicated skincare. Do you feel me? Okay, I'm gonna take a shower. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing for nighttime. It's almost the same. Almost. There's an added step. You'll see. You'll see. But I've been doing this twice a day. That's the biggest difference. I was not doing that when I was in college because it made my face worse for whatever reason. I was only washing my face once a day, and that's when I was able to keep my acne at bay while playing and sweating. But now, twice a day with this, I want to show you how it comes out. So I'm just going to take a little. It's like a pearlescent white. It almost looks kind of silver and gold at the same time. But anyways, you're supposed to put it on wet hands, and then you emulsify it in your hands first. And obviously, there's usually way more, but even with that little bit, it foams up so nice. Love. And it gives that feeling of, oh, the surface I just put that on is clean. My face is clean. And you feel the cleanness, like you just wipe something off, but then there's no stretch, there's no pull, there's no tightness. Look at it! Okay, in the oven. I don't know if I should turn it a different way, but it's okay. Yay! Look how freaking good this looks. Ah! Hello? It says I still need 12 minutes, but this looks done, no? Look at that. Hold on. I don't have a toothpick and I just did the dishes and there were so many of them. I refuse. I literally refuse to get something dirty right now. nuts. You guys, this looks so good. Oh, I think I'm supposed to take it out of this. Oh. Wow, wait, I want to look at this. Oh, wow. Also been wanting to bake my own regular bread because I just keep hearing too many things about how store-bought bread is just trizzy ash. So now I have a little tin. Cut myself a piece. It's still kind of warm. I said I'm gonna cut myself a little piece. This is quite the... Shut up. Hello? Yeah. Literally what? This is so good. Whoa, dude. Wait. Look at the cross section. Look at this cross section right now. Oh my friend. Okay, I gotta go. I need to do my hair. Really? So funny story. I've been going a little bit crazy looking for, sorry, this is dirty. Better. I've been going a little crazy looking for the matching, what is this called? Pillowcase cover for my purple set. It looks so much darker on camera. I literally had something akin to like a panic attack because I couldn't find it. It wasn't in any of my clothes that I had just washed. It wasn't in the dryer. It wasn't on the side of the washer. Do you see this? Purple. You see that slight purple hue? How does that even happen? How am I supposed to get it out? I'm glad to know I wasn't going crazy because I was like, this is not possible. This is not possible. I didn't know that this was possible. I didn't know that this in the crevice of the crack. Do you know how many times I've done the laundry? I need prayer because I need to get it out. I need to be free of whatever this is. Shut the front door right now. What do I do? This is my favorite set. And now, look. Dude. No. I mean, I know it's just like fluff. Oh, my mom is gonna flip when I tell her this tomorrow. But now it's all scratched up. How do these things exist on planet Earth? Why is that an option? So, hey, it's resolved. Okay, bye. Good morning. It's been a rather emotional morning for me. Dadgum, that's hot. This is a spicy one. Shutter. Shutter was so like intimate in my spine. Ah! You guys, my banana bread is like a little bit underdone. I let it stand there the full 55 minutes almost. But it's a little underdone, but it's like me reevaluating it for the 15th time. Like, it's just right in the middle, which I'm like, that's fine. Because I barely noticed it yesterday. I think if I would have left it like maybe 5 more minutes, it would be okay. But all of my little online search up said if I put it back in the oven, it will modify the texture. And I don't want that. But next time I'll just do an extra, like 5 a minute. 5 a minute. 60. Because the recommendation was 55 to 65. I should have landed at 60. But, you know, it's fine. Thanks for listening. I think I put too much in there, but I just gotta eat. It's more like an open top sandwich because my rice paper sheets are round, not square, and they said to get square ones, but harder. Hi, on this installment of All I Do Is Eat, period. I made something really yummy and I'm eating it, and I didn't expect it to be this good. I made a toast. I always eat the bread first, okay? Then I had some leftover shredded carrots and some spinach. So I added garlic, onion powder, butter, pepper to a pan, saute, boom. This is just some like organic, already cut grilled chicken strips because I was not about to cook some meat tonight. Didn't feel like it. And then this is like a 4-cheese pasta sauce that I had in the cabinet. And I tasted it by itself. It wasn't very good, but I added some, I just put it in the skillet, heated it up. Why does that sound wrong? I put it in the skillet to warm it up. We'll go with that. And then I added some mozzarella cheese, mixed it really good, stirred it together. I didn't let the cheese melt all the way because I was hungry. But this is like, this little din right here, minus my toast because I always eat it first. 5. Wait. There's my toast. It's so good. Oh my gosh, there's chocolate all over my... It's so good. I don't know if you guys have seen that Korean girl who does the tok 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 on Instagram. Well, I see her on Instagram, maybe you see her somewhere else. But she had her grandma on recently, and she was like, never rub stuff into your skin. And I was like, well, how am I gonna like spread the product around? I don't understand. And so today I like put everything on my skin and just like tok 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 instead of rubbing, because I already have like 2 little white things like you guys saw, and every time I rub something into my skin, even though I know it was good for it, like moisturizer or the treatment, it felt so razor carpet burned. And I did that today, and now I'm like, my skin has never sat better with any hello, like, and it just finished 5 minutes ago, so tok 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 it is. Real that in the distance. Hello. He's so for serious right now. look as good as when my mom made it because I cut up the pork belly and the eggs are jammier, but let's do first bite, bestie. I'm hungry, so I don't really have a lot to say right now. I like that bite. My favorite part of the bok choy is this part, not the end, the leaf. What the heck, man? I had on my swimsuit and everything.